Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we take a look at Ethiopian Airlines Airbus A350. Look at the state-of-the-art fleet. Ethiopian pride in Addis Ababa Bole International Airport. Ethiopian Airlines is one of the largest airlines in Africa regarding passengers carried, destinations served, and revenue. It is also the fourth largest in the world in terms of countries served. The Airbus is equipped with personal entertainment screens which feature USB ports to charge small devices. For those claustrophobic watchers, the legroom is quite excellent. I was very impressed. Look at that wing soaring through the spectacular sky. How beautiful! As far as snacks are concerned, I would honestly give them a round of applause. They gave us these little snack boxes about an hour into the flight, and soon after they gave us a meal. And I have to mention, I was definitely not disappointed with it. The food was amazing. You actually can't go hungry on this flight. I personally preferred the chicken rice meal, and my husband preferred the beef and rice meal, but it was just as good. Did you know Ethiopia is widely considered to be the birthplace of coffee? Many experts say that Ethiopia is the only place that coffee grew natively. The entertainment on board is actually very good, and there's also Wi-Fi available at a small fee. Thanks for watching. Kindly like and subscribe until we travel again.